228 pounds, Eddie Guerrero.
This should be an awesome matchup between these two men.
Just a perfect head scissor.
Eddie Guerrero has the arm.
It looked like he wanted to rip his leg off on that move. And did you hear the impact on that kick?
Eddie Guerrero has held so many titles. He's competed all around the world.
Oh, Eddie's done it all. Oh!
If you haven't done it yet, check out WWE.com. You'll find updates and blogs from all your favorite superstars. Whoa, this could be trouble. Oh, God, no. A thunderous explosion of humanity. That'll leave a mark.
He's as hardcore as it gets. He'll bust his own head open if he thinks it'll drown you. Oh, no! Oh!
Eddie Guerrero really is in phenomenal shape.
Yeah, there's hardly an ounce of body fat on him. Bam! I think most of Chainsaw Charlie's opponents end up in his freezer sooner or later. Oh, did you see that knee? Don't expect a lot of mercy to be shown here.
Oh, what a counter by Eddie. This guy's so good.
And there's the monkey flip.
Eddie controlling the arm. Eddie Guerrero.
Wow, what a sequence.
This will be a physical battle.
Oh, my goodness. Eddie Guerrero is just so hard to stop.
Just twisting the neck in a sickening way. Effective striking here from Chainsaw Charlie.
An incredible series of moves there. Nobody's budging an inch in this one.
An inverted DDT, driving the back of the skull into the ground. Countered by Eddie.
What's he up to here? And there's the toss.
Look at the pressure. You can see it in his face, the agony.
Each of these competitors is looking for the
Watch it.
And he powers out.
And there's an elbow drop.
What a reversal.
Eddie controlling the waist. And he gets out of the way.
He's got evil intentions.
He's out.
Shot lands from Chainsaw.
And he dodges that one.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, the punch connects. You can see the pain shoot through the superstar's body off that slam. Look past the ring at the thousands and thousands of WWE fans in attendance. Each and every one of them are having a great time tonight.
Oh, mama!
These superstars looking for a victory, looking to build momentum.
A clothesline out of nowhere! Ow! Ooh. Oh, come on now. That was just uncalled for.
Wild strike misses the target.
A nice arm lock being applied here.
Nice dodge there. Narrowly avoids the attack. Ah! And he escapes the hold. Chainsaw Charlie with the arm. And the knuckles connect. Oh, back to the head, back to the temple.
I just can't get over the... We got to cover.
And Eddie powers out. Look at these two jockey for position.
Man, this has been a great matchup. Boy, he was able to reverse it, get out of that. If Chainsaw Charlie felt pain, here's where it would happen.
What a match.
Oh, what a shot to drop Chainsaw Charlie.
And he's displaying tremendous viciousness.
Chainsaw reverses.
He was one step ahead on that one.
Eddie Guerrero into the headlock.
A fever pitch is here in the WWE Universe.
And he missed that one, controlling the head. Chainsaw Charlie.
Oh, no. I think he's bleeding from that last shot.
Chainsaw Charlie.
Good grief.
Shoulders down. From behind.
Oh, man!
Oh, my, look at this.
Wait a minute!
Refusing to give in there. What sheer determination. Chainsaw sees the opportunity. Texas pile driver. Oh, that may be a broken neck.
This has been a war.
And this has got to be it. Eddie Guerrero has had it taken to him tonight. Cover here. And what a hard knockdown, big time impact.
What an impact from that kick. That'll leave a mark. Look at this, it's locked in. Hey, crafty reversal there by Chainsaw Charlie.
Dodges to the side of that one.
Watch it.
What strength, fighting his way out. And there's the elbow. Chainsaw Charlie squeezing down on the head.
Ouch. That elbow did some damage. She may have to submit here. Referee asking. Hey now!
And he wheels his way out. Eddie goes behind. Showing no mercy. His shoulders are down.
Chainsaw Charlie eating some punishment.
Eddie Guerrero has the headlock. Wild strike doesn't find a home.
Watch Eddie. Look out! I'm not sure, but with a miss like that, I'm wondering if he has something in his eye.
Ooh, brutal impact.
He's enjoying this. Hey, he's going for it again.
Wow, that's got to be it. Got out of the way of that one.
And he gets leveled. Not this.
He's looking at it again.
Oh my God! Chainsaw with the pile driver.
There's the pin. Can his opponent kick out?
Oh, the punch connects.
He's got it locked in. Will this be it?
And Chainsaw Charlie makes him pay for it. Quick thinking to avoid that. Chainsaw Charlie has the arm. And that series ends in deadlock. Neither one of these superstars can afford to give their opponent the upper hand.
This could be it.
Will he tap out? Will he tap out? Not today. Too fast. Nice reversal.
Oh, wait. Nice reversal. Oh, out of nowhere.
Eddie again heading to the top.
Oh.
Into the headlock.
There he goes again.
No, forced back inside. What's he up to here?
Whoa, whoa.
Uh-oh, look at this. Oh! Trying to put him away. That's it. He's had enough. Eddie wins.
Oh, they threw everything they had at each other in this match. Let's look back at everything that happened. that was. Oh, yeah. You get caught in that, and you have no choice but to tap out.